these are the tips I'm going to give you guys for tip application. Go ahead and watch the video.
Tip application and cutting down the nails. Number one, we are sizing the tips. You're taking your glue. My preference is KDS glue, and we're adding it to the well of the nail. So in order to make sure the nails are perfectly shaped, we want to make sure we're putting the right sizes. So let's go ahead and add the glue onto the tip of the well. After sizing it, we have the glue ready on the well, and we're going to apply that right on top of the natural nail. So you're placing the fake tip onto the bottom of the natural nail, and you're waiting a couple of seconds. After a couple of seconds, I add another drop or two right there to secure it more, give it some more strength, because I didn't add too much to begin with. And we're basically doing this on every single nail. We're adding some glue on top to secure that as well. And I am going to show you a different way to do this. I do this differently, honestly, every single time. It's just the way I feel that day. And I will literally do the same thing on all of them, or I'll do different things on the other ones. But the point is, make sure it fits sidewall to sidewall. That's the most important part. And don't overdo the glue either, but don't underdo the glue, if that makes any sense. So second method is adding some to the natural nail, adding some of the glue, and you want to add more so that you don't really have to add extra glue. So doing it this way helps because you're already adding enough glue at the bottom, and then you're adding the tip on top, and it's already super secure, unlike just adding a little bit of glue onto the well at first. Okay, in a minute, I'm going to show you guys a TikTok hack. It is really cool so that you measure your nails accurately every single time. You're not going to want to miss this part. All right, let's move on to the TikTok hack. We're going to be taking this magnet set with the nail clipper, and you can get this on Amazon. Pretty affordable. I'm going to put the price here on the screen. So I'm basically using 3 magnets, and the 3 magnets are basically going to make the length medium. So you can literally set up your own system of pricing with each magnet or every 2 magnets, however you want to do it.
Okay, so now that we've learned proper tip application, now we can go on to learn proper shaping. Moving on to the next video. You guys are doing so good.